Naomi Home presents the Monica mid-century style futon sofa bed assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This futon comes as shown with high-quality air leather upholstery, offering a blend of comfort and durability. To get started, install the left sofa base into the right sofa base by connecting the buckles. Connect the middle leg in between the left and right sofa base with 4 bolts. Now place 2 side legs onto the left chair base. Use 3 bolts on each to secure them in place. Make sure the legs are facing outwards towards the front. Similarly, place 2 side legs onto the right chair base. Use 3 bolts on each to secure them in place. Again, make sure the legs are facing outwards towards the front. Finally, pull up the backrest until it clicks in place. Push forward and gently place down to convert into a bed. And there you have it. Your Monica mid-century style futon sofa bed is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.